need more ventilation.
How many times we gotta go through this? If you push that button, the noise is gonna stop.
Maybe if we beat your wife, the noise will stop, okay?
Hey, you know what'll work? If you push that little button.
Well, Colby really doesn't know that we know that, he thinks he's Batman and all that. I don't know. I guess he doesn't want to know that. But at least he's not obsessed with firearms like, Matt.
Dude, check this out, boys. H&K makes a freaking grenade machine gun. It's got an operator convertible feed direction and a removable barrel. Removable barrel. How freaking sweet is that? Dude, the best part is that it mounts on a standard US tripod. Or a vehicle mount. Colby, we can mount this beast in the back of your truck, baby. Oh yeah.
No, man. No.
Dude.
Like, why in the world would we ever want that?
In case terrorists come into our apartment?
Yeah, like that's ever gonna
Dude, that could seriously come in handy. Dude, all the time. John doesn't really understand how important it is that we have access to weapons of mass destruction within the apartment. I mean, you don't want Gordon Lightfoot catching with your pants down, right? Yeah. He's a pacifist. John, not Gordon Lightfoot. I've never really understood that whole mindset, to be honest with you. I mean, you might as well walk around with a sign that says, hey, let me bend over while you do me up the butt. Right? Yeah. He doesn't really believe in violence.
You see that? I would just decapitate like 30 ninjas in a row, okay? Last one would probably piss his pants. Dead. Yeah. What? I'm like the greatest ninja that ever lived, okay? Back home.
Yeah, so, Matt's got his guns. John's got his ninja games. And he likes to burn eggs. And the weird thing about this house is we hate each other's guts. And yet we love each other in this weird